Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we are at Detroit Airport and we are heading to San Francisco for my first driverless ride. Yes, you're right, driverless. There's no driver in the car. So we are going to try this GM Cruise robotaxi. So can't wait to see it's happening. Let's go for it. Okay, now we are at San Francisco and I just used the Cruise app to request a car, a taxi. It says it will be here in 4 minutes, so we'll see how that goes. I'm at Fulton Street and Broderick is coming. Okay, the app says it's arriving soon. Okay, here comes. This is a driverless. There's no driver in the car. Let's take a look. Purely driverless. Let's unlock the car first. Okay. 开始 start ride. Waiting for the green light. Now we can start. Wow, it's happening. There's no driver here. The vehicle is driving by itself. Turning right. Wow, I cannot imagine it's happening right now. It's amazing. I'm so proud I'm part of this. I joined Cruise 7 months and right now it's in front of me. It's from impossible to possible to reality. Now we are driving on the public road here. Oh, there's something on the ground end of the vehicle. Just steer around it. Just like a normal driver would do. Wow, this car is great. I'm a race car driver. I like driving cars. I like control the car because I know the limit. I know how to drive better. I know how to pick a great route. And in this car, I feel like I don't have to do all of this. This car is doing that. This car is doing those for me, and I feel so comfortable right now. I feel safe. I can sit down and I can just sit back and take a break, and this vehicle will take me there. It's so great. It's wow. I'm speechless. I still feel so proud to be in this team as a cruiser. I'm here to make this better, safer for everyone, and you can also be part of it. We are hiring, and it's never late to join Cruise. Right, stop. Here we have a stop sign. As you can see, the braking, steering, acceleration are so smooth and gentle. These make me feel so comfortable inside this cruise driverless robotaxi. Actually, I feel like this is better than some drivers on the road. Okay, here we are. We are arriving. Arrived. Open the door. Okay, thank you, Rainbow. There's no one, and he's leaving. Wow. Let's take a closer look. See you. It's so amazing. I still feel like it's not real, but it's happened, and it's coming to more people, to the public. I think next year, 2022, Cruise will show this to the public, and you all can give a try. Stay safe. Let's make it better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.